In this chapter, we would be talking about motion of the earth. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called as revolution. The axis of the earth, which is an imaginary line, makes an angle of 66.5 degrees with the orbital plane. The plane formed by the orbit is known as orbital plane. The circle that divides day from the night on the globe is called the circle of illumination. Earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. The period of rotation is known as the Earth day. There are days and nights and changes in the season because of the rotation and revolution of the earth. The second motion of the earth around the sun in its orbit is called as revolution. It takes 364 and a quarter day to revolve around the sun. Every fourth year, February is of 29 days instead of 28 days. Such a year with the 366 days is called a leap year. It is clear that the earth is going around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Notice that throughout its orbit, the earth is inclined in the same direction. A year is usually divided into summer season, winter season, spring season, and autumn season. Season changes due to change in the position of the earth around the sun. On 21st June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. The rays of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. As the result, these areas receive more heat. The North Pole is inclined towards the sun, and the place beyond the Arctic Circle experiences continuous daylight for about 6 months. Since a large portion of northern hemisphere is getting light from the sun, it is summer in the region north of the equator. The longest day and the shortest night at these places occur on 21st June. At this time, in the southern hemisphere, all the conditions are reversed. It is the winter season there. The nights are longer than days. This position of the earth is called as summer solstice. On 22nd December, Tropic of Capricorn receives direct rays of the sun as the south pole tilts towards it. As the sun's rays fall vertically at the Tropic of Capricorn, a large portion of southern hemisphere gets light. Therefore, it is summer in the southern hemisphere with long days and shorter nights. The reverse happens in the northern hemisphere. This position of the earth is called the winter solstice. On 21st March and 23rd September, direct rays of the sun falls on the equator. At this position, neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun, so the whole earth experiences equal days and equal nights. This is called an equinox. On 23rd September, it is autumn season in the northern hemisphere and spring season in the southern hemisphere. The opposite in the case on 21st March, when it is spring season in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere.